Hello everyone. Recently I was having lots of problem with my 3D printing. As you can see, this is a recent 3D print. The quality is really poor. As you can see, it has got under extrusion problem. So basically some of the layers, the printing filament are not coming out correctly. As you can see, that's why there are lots of gaps. To address this issue, I can see there could be several reasons. First of all, my existing print bed, the quality has deteriorated. There's a leveling problem. Then there is a nozzle problem as well, which, to explain more, as you can see, the nozzle is really black. It has burned up and there could be some clogging problem. Also, this drive gear, as you can see, there are lots of marks in the drive gear, so I think the drive gear is not working properly. So I got 3-part upgrade plan today. So first of all, I've got a new hot bed, then new print nozzle and the drive gear. This is what I will install now. The first step of replacing print nozzle is that you go to info screen, then control, temperature, nozzle. I'll get it to more than 180 degrees Celsius. I choose preheat PLA option. So as you can see, the target temperature is 185 degrees Celsius. Tools required for this job is just this wrench. This is number 6 and this Bonders Allen key I will use. The temperature is ready, so now just slowly I'll take it off anti-clockwise. So there are too much clearance as I can see, because from the auto homing position you can see the nozzle is quite up, so there is this much clearance. I will raise the hot bed by adjusting, by turning it clockwise this way. So I will turn off the machine this time and bring it back other side and see how much clearance is there, because it all need to be level. Again, I'll give my A4 size paper. I'll hold the paper there and see how much clearance is there. Then raise this by doing this. The same for this corner as well. So as you can see, there is no filament touchings. That means the platform is Oh, hang on. See the line. So this side, the line is doing okay, but this side not. So that means I need to raise this size. I'm doing it again. So as you can see, things has been improved a bit. But why is it chorus here? I think I need to raise more. But I can do that while it is printing this. So as you can see, you got the idea. So from the quality I can see is still not fusioning with the bed. This is perfect, I think. This line is perfect, but obviously this line not, and the other one is not. So I will raise a bit. So what I found is that this part was broken actually. So that was to blame for not doing the extrusion properly. Since then, as I already discussed, that I have replaced the whole assembly. So the resulting improvement is this file. As you can see, this file, the bottom part is still, there is some irregularities. As you can see, it was still doing occasionally under extrusion, but as you can see, the top part is near perfect, comparing to this part, which is totally under extrusion. It was not even fusioning properly. Even the structurally it was not usable at all. On the other hand, this part, the bottom part, was still doing some irregularities, which I'm going to explain why it was happening. But the top part, as you can see, is near perfect. Which I did not video, but it is this drive gear. It was not properly aligned, so I have to push this screw clockwise so that the spring went under pressure. When the spring went under pressure, it opened up this part a bit. So at the moment it is near perfect with this outcome. The solution I can conclude is that it could be anything. It could be the nozzle, then the leveling of the bed, also the drive gear mechanism. So if you replace both of them, you can replace all of them under £20 or $20. So just give it a try. Now I will do the phantom quality printing again. Let's see, compare the outcome. I call it the test code, and I'm going to print the test code now. So let's see how the quality goes this time. Much better than what it used to be, but still I don't know why this side is over extrusion and this is under extrusion this side, which I will address after. But as you can see, the print quality at least is clear in all four directions. So as you can see, the quality has much improved. So I have already pre-printed the body. As you can see, the problem has mostly eliminated. If I can zoom out, you can see still there are slight under extrusion this side, but not this side. But at least the structural integrity is much better. That means that I can use this part compared to this one, not usable at all. So our problem could be anything, but the main problem was that one second. But the main problem was this was broken here. This part was broken, so that has solved most of the problem. Then the second problem meant that the whole thing was perfected by just aligning this screw. So I tightened the screw more, but you need to find the switch spot where it works the best. So that's all for today. Hope you like this video. Just let me know in the comment. Also, if you have any question, I will see you at next time.